Today I'll be opening up the Disney Character Mugs Mystery Pins. These were released in October of 2024 and they are available at the parks for $44.99 per bag, and there are 5 pins in each bag. I got these from the Disney store and they were $39.99 per bag, but with a 25% off sale I ended up getting these for $29.99, which was awesome. But of course, at the time of this recording, they're already all gone from the Disney store website. So these are an open edition collection, which means if these are popular, then they can continue making these for quite a while. So the pin designs here feature mugs that are themed to Disney characters, and maybe themed isn't the right word, it's more like they took a character's face and slapped it on the side of a mug. That's what this looks like to me. So it's a 16 pin collection, and the pin designs that we can get are Pinocchio, Cheshire Cat, Chip, Powerline, Minnie Mouse, Caw, Simba, Stitch, Robin Hood, Copper, Todd, Tramp, Marie, Bambi, Dale, and Mr. Toad. So let's open these up, see what we get. So I have 2 bags here to open up, which is 10 pins total. And the ones I want the most here are Cheshire Cat, Simba, and Mr. Toad. But some of these other ones look pretty cool too. So they do have a little cutout here, but they put it on the other side. So if you rip it, it's gonna go through the pin designs, which I don't want. So I am going to cut these open. And I can already tell that these are just loose in the bag, so they're not in individual bags. So just gonna reach in here and see what we get for pin 1. And we have Minnie Mouse. So we have the mug back there and Minnie's face, boom, right on the mug, but the handle of the mug is the red and white polka dot. So that's pretty cool. And let's see what we get for pin 2. We have Caw. Nice. Get hypnotized looking into his eyes. He has a blue handle. And you can kind of see down inside the mug on some of these here. It's got green inside. And pin 3, we have Stitch. Nice. So Stitch, he's got these big ears sticking up. I can barely even see the handle there. It's right behind his ear. All right. The next one, we have Marie. So she has her ears, not as big as Stitch. You can actually see down in her mug there, and it's pink inside the mug, and she's got a pink handle. Very cool. And the 5th one, the last one in bag 1, is Copper. And he's got some really long ears hanging down. I don't even know how you would put that mug on the table, unless his ears were flexible and move out of the way. But he's got a brown handle there. All right, so now we'll get into bag 2 and see if we can avoid all the doubles. Let's see what we got here. Pin 6, it's not a double, it is Powerline. So we have Powerline. You can not really see in the mug. Oh yeah, you can. You can kind of see orange inside the mug. His hair is huge. He's got an orange handle. This is probably one that Powerline doesn't show up in a whole lot of pins, so a lot of people are probably really going to want this one. All right, so what do we have? Pin 7? Yeah, pin 7 is Simba. All right, one of the ones I wanted here. So Simba, he's got his ears there. You can barely see down inside the mug, and he's got a black handle. It's kind of weird how small some are compared to others. Like Simba looks really tiny compared to Powerline. All right, so we got three to go here. We have Todd. Very cool. He's got his ears sticking up. You can see down in the mug on there. He's got a black handle. Cool. We've got 2 left. This one is Pinocchio. Nice. And this one, he's got a lot of color there. Oh, that's his hat. So the mug's actually blue, and then you can see his yellow hat. Down inside the mug is red. He's got a red handle. I've run out of room. It's always a good problem to have when you're doing an unboxing like this. And my last pin, oh, we did get a double. We got another Marie. So, hey, not bad. So we got 9 out of the 16. So 9 uniques and only 1 double. I'll take it. So those were the Disney Character Mugs Mystery Pins. Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite out of these 9. My favorite here is Caw. I just can't help but stare into those eyes. So that is my favorite here. So this was a great unboxing for me, getting 9 out of the 16, which I guess that doesn't sound too great, but well, I only opened 10 pins and I got 9 unique ones, so only 1 double here, so that's pretty good. So 9 out of 16, that means I'm only missing 7, and the 7 that I'm missing are Cheshire Cat, Chip, Robin Hood, Tramp, Bambi, Dale, and Mr. Toad. So those were the 7 I wasn't able to show you today. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.